Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Rohilkhand University, established in 1975, has received an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com and a rating of 3.5 specifically for its BTech program. Let's take a closer look at the BTech in MJPRU in this detailed review. Currently, the university comprises of 25 departments and a large network of 563 affiliated colleges across 9 districts of Uttar Pradesh. These span Bijnor, Badaयूं, Moradabad and Rampur. MJPRU offers a broad spectrum of academic programs across all levels and multiple degrees. More specifically for BTech, MJPRU offers 6 specializations including electronics and communication engineering, computer science and information technology, and chemical engineering primarily on its main campus. While some students have shared that 95% of their batch is getting placed in companies like Google, Amazon, Infosys, Wipro and TCS with average packages ranging from 5 to 7 lakh per annum. There are others who have stated that they are not happy with their placements and that a majority of the students are seeking to get placed off campus. At the university level, the 2022-23 placement drive saw 243 out of 357 students placed, marking a decline from the previous years. The placement rate fell to 68% in 2023 from 76% in 2022 and 87% in 2021. Recruiters include Airtel, Just Dial, Easy Policy, and Nucleus Software offering roles such as senior engineer and junior manager. The median package for 2022-23 was 5.82 lakh per annum, a decrease from the previous year. In comparison, Acharya Narendra Dev University of Agriculture and Technology offers, which also happens to be in the same state, a relatively higher median package of 6.7 lakh per annum. Admission to BTech is based on JEE main scores with the basic eligibility requirement being 10+2 with PCM. Looking at the closing JEE main cutoffs for 2022, competition has intensified in the ECE, mechanical engineering and CS and IT specializations compared to 2021. The academic fee for the BTech is approximately 64,000 per year. Moving on to the infrastructure, which has been rated 3.7 on Shiksha. Located in Bareilly, MJPRU spans 206 acres and includes an administrative building, faculty buildings, a central library, an auditorium, 5 boys hostels, 4 girls hostels, guest houses, and a sports complex. The fully networked campus includes well-equipped labs, computational facilities, and a healthcare center for medical services. Regarding faculty and curriculum, MJPRU has received a rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars for its faculty. Senior professors in various fields at MJPRU are working on a range of projects funded by different agencies, and teachers from affiliated colleges that are also involved in these research efforts shared students. Students from various constituent colleges share that the teachers are helpful, highly qualified, and some even hold PhD degrees. MJPRU has also interestingly set up several new cells and directorates, including the Rohilkhand Incubation Foundation, Center of Multilingual Studies, Grassroots Innovation Center, and the Directorate of Research. Moving on now to the 3.7 rated campus life. MJPRU offers a range of student organizations and clubs catering to diverse interests and skills, including cultural clubs, academic and professional societies, and sports club. In addition to these clubs and societies, MJPRU hosts various events, festivals, workshops, alumni meet, and competitions, including programming contests, aptitude tests, and debate competitions. Finally, MJPRU is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on MJPRU and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.